Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world premiere of our new GLA. We thought a different kind of car needs a different kind of world premiere. That's why we have gone off the beaten track today to present our latest off-roader to you. But I'll admit, this may be a bit too far off-road. So let's get to a more down-to-earth setting now.
Ola, welcome back to Earth. That was a long trip. I'm glad you can make it.
Thank you, Imi.
All right, so as a motorsport presenter myself, I can tell this is not a regular launch. There are no guests present, as this is a purely digital format. And I can already see the upside in doing it this way, not only your mission to Mars, but let's hear it from you. Why have you decided to do a digital world premiere this time?
An international newcomer like the GLA needs an international stage for its premiere. A stage where people from all over the world can be part of. Our products are more digital than ever before. The same holds true for our customers, particularly our young GLA customers. There will also be traditional on-site world premieres again, but this time it was just logic to go digital. A digital world premiere adds a new flavor to our vehicle presentations, and it offers tremendous opportunities to show and explain the new features. That's exactly what we will do here today.
All right, now Mercedes being a luxury brand, how does a compact car fit into that for you?
Well, the first Mercedes in this segment was our A-Class back in 1997. Since then, we've sold more than 7 million compact cars. Meanwhile, 1 of 4 Mercedes sold is a compact. Our entry-level cars are particularly attractive to younger customers, and they helped us win more women over to our brand.
Well, how important is the GLA in this sector?
Well, the GLA makes our compact portfolio complete. Since 2014, about 1 million GLA have been sold. 1 of 2 GLA customers in Europe previously owned a competitor's car, but more than 2 of 3 current GLA customers in Europe are now staying loyal to our brand.
All right, well, you've given us reason enough to feel excited about it. Let's take a look.
Ladies and gentlemen, the youngest member of our compact car family has truly grown up. We've made the GLA better in every respect. Let me just pick my favorite 3 highlights. More convenience, more safety, and more efficiency. Let's start with convenience. The profile of the new GLA has changed quite a bit. Compared to its predecessor, it has obviously become taller and a bit shorter. The reason? It only gained in size where it truly gained in convenience for our passengers. Our chief designer, Gordon Wagner, will explain more on that later. In growing up, the new GLA also learned some smart tricks from its older siblings. It is, of course, equipped with the latest version of our MBUX infotainment system, which, for instance, comes with the car wash assist that was directly derived from the GLS. Approaching a car wash, MBUX fully prepares your GLA at the push of just 1 button. It closes the sunroof and windows, It starts the air recirculation, switches on the front camera, folds the rear view mirrors, and deactivates all relevant sensors for parking distance or rain. For the driver, that means you can just sit back and relax. That's one example of the level of convenience we offer our customers, even in this entry-level compact segment. My second highlight of how we're aiming for the best or nothing is safety. Again, our new GLA has more of it. Passenger safety has always been a core virtue of our brand, and the new GLA comes with the full package of assistance systems. These systems take care of the passengers inside the car just as well as everyone outside of it. For example, traffic situations can easily become complex, especially in bigger cities. Here, the crosswalk alert helps. It looks after the most vulnerable, the pedestrians. As the GLA approaches a crosswalk, it detects the crosswalk and also checks if somebody's crossing or intending to cross the road. If so, the system clearly draws the driver's attention to the situation via standard or heads-up display, and the pedestrian can safely reach the other side. Apart from protecting pedestrians, the new GLA takes good care of its own passengers. Imagine you're driving down the highway on a nice sunny day, the street is not too crowded, you're getting to a curve in the road and have limited sight. And maybe you're just a little bit distracted by a chit-chat with your passengers. The new GLA has you covered. If needed, it will preventively slow down to about 100 kilometers per hour. As part of the driving assistance package, it uses live traffic information and will know if you're coming to the end of a traffic jam before you can even see it. And in case things get really bad, the active brake assist can help you safely come to a full stop. No matter if you're cruising down the highway or making your way through busy cities, you definitely want your car to be as efficient as possible. That's my third highlight, and more proof that our new GLA certainly has plenty of talent. Of course, it features our latest fuel-efficient four-cylinder engines. For local drives without emissions, a plug-in hybrid with an electric range of more than 70 kilometers will be available soon. And a little further down the road, we've got some more big news coming. We'll present our all-electric EQA in 2020. We can't show too much of it today, but it's definitely a love child. And now, over to you, Gordon.
Thank you, Ola. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a vision to make Mercedes-Benz the most loved luxury brand. And the new GLA is the next step towards this. As the perfect combination of a compact car and an SUV, it's a testament to modern luxury. Let's start with what's of course my favorite topic, design. The GLA features an iconic design that redefines its class again. It combines masculine off-roader genes with our philosophy of sensual purity. At the same time, it is even more powerful proportions and stands contrast with its compact dimensions. The GLA front identity displays our sportiest and most progressive SUV face. Reduced lines and accentuated surfaces exude sportiness and modernity. Typical for the GLA are the powerful shoulder of the body and the coupe-like silhouette. These sleek proportions also allow the new GLA to cut through the air like a hot knife through butter. The interior design showcases a new level of modern luxury never seen before in this segment. It gets an even more beautiful atmosphere when daylight shines through the large panorama roof. The roominess of the car is enhanced by the movable back bench. The legroom in the rear has even been increased by almost 12 centimeters. There's more to the interior all around you. High quality materials abound. This is particularly evident with the digital cockpit, the command center of the new GLA seamlessly interconnected systems. Ola mentioned MBUX, your personal companion on the road. And Mercedes Me services like live traffic or the remote vehicle finder makes life so much easier. Let's take it for a quick spin. As you will see, the new GLA will take you smoothly over any type of terrain. Through the hearts of the biggest concrete jungles, across the roughest of dirt tracks. This car is pure fun to drive. And when the road opens up to give the GLA some breathing room, you can put the pedal to the metal and really have some more fun. And that's just a serious model. It's not a coincidence that we were heading this way. If you want more performance luxury on top of this, then take a look at the Mercedes-AMG GLA 35 4MATIC. The AMG philosophy of driving performance is consistently transferred to our dramatically growing compact segment. Powerful design and pure driving performance make the new GLA 35 4MATIC a sporty crossover with typical AMG genes. 306 horsepower and 400 Newton meters of torque are the perfect entry in the world of our performance compact SUVs. And back to my favorite subject, it's all about design. The specific radiator grille with vertical slats and the powerful stance in the rear create a significant AMG identity.
Well, it sounds good, Gordon. Now, Ola, what would you say are your key takeaways from the GLA?
Well, the new GLA is compact and spacious, safe and intelligent, efficient and sporty. It's just the perfect package.
Well, thank you, Ola and Gordon. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us today. And if you think the GLA looks great from where you're sitting, rest assured it looks even better in real life. And that's it from us at this digital world premiere. Enjoy the GLA. And gentlemen, shall I take us for a drive?
Sure.
Sure.
That car would even work up here, right? But something's missing. Yeah, now it's perfect.